So I'm seeing this question a lot about video hosting for your community. They're looking for recommendations for a video hosting platform, which video hosting platform to use, uploading courses, best way to host here. Video, Loom, or Wistia for course videos. What is the best option? I have a Skool community where I help Christian men scale their hustle using Skool without working weekends. I have 64 members. I actually also have 17 new members in the last 30 days. 73% were active. And I'm going to show you what the best option is. I'm going to show you why you need to host your Skool course on Loom. So let's get into it. We're going to compare Loom versus Wistia, Vimeo, and YouTube. So Skool course videos are best kept super simple. You can just record your screen, talk about your thing, like I am now. I'm using Loom as well. So we don't really need much for your course videos. So Loom kind of does the job. But let's look at the other options that Skool allows you to use first so that you can get an idea of what's out there and how to compare. So Wistia has 4 plans. There's the free plan. You'll get 15 minutes of video you can record per video. 10 videos, though, is the limit. You got their branding on all your videos, but you can download the videos if you want to. Their Plus plan has $19 a month. It gets 30 minutes per video, but you only get 20 videos for $19 a month, but you get no branding. You can still download them too. Their next plan is the Pro plan at $79 a month. You can record videos up to 60 minutes per video, but you get also an additional 30 videos storage limit for that extra, looks like $60 a month. And then their advanced plan, their biggest one besides their enterprise plan, which you kind of got to work out with them how much it's going to cost and what you need. Still a 60-minute video limit. You have 250 video storage limit, and you can download videos. So at $3.19 a month, still not even unlimited. And we'll get to why that's important soon. Now with Vimeo, free plan that they have is $0 a month. That's a 1 gigabyte storage limit. You can record your screen with Vimeo, and then there's automatic uploading and hosting. So with their starter plan, it's $20 a month. Everything in there is free. You get 100 gigabytes of storage limit. It's a great upgrade from 0 to 20. You can download videos. There's a custom video player you can use. There's custom URLs you can also use. And then their standard plan is $13 more a month, so that's $33 a month compared to the advanced, which is $108. Talk about that in just a second. But with their standard plan, you get everything that the starter plan has, but you get more storage. 1 gigabyte storage limit. You also get AI tools, branding tools, editing tools added onto that. And then advanced, you bump it up to a 5 terabyte storage limit. There's more AI tools, and then you also get live streaming. So that's their 4 options for Vimeo. Now, the option that I think is second best is YouTube. It's free. They have no other options. Unlimited recording, unlimited storage, custom thumbnails. But their one downside is you have to manually upload the videos. And that's basically the only downside to YouTube that Loom does not have. Now Loom, their starter plan is $0 a month. Their business plan is $12.50 a month. With their starter plan, you have a 5-minute recording limit and a 25 video storage limit. You get screen recording, but you get automatic uploading and hosting with their starter plan as opposed to YouTube. Now their business plan, this is where things get amazing. You get unlimited storage and recording, and you get to download your videos from them. And you get the automatic uploading and hosting that their free plan has as well. Now it costs $12.50, so if you're like really struggling, like you got $0 you can spend, go for YouTube. But Loom, you just record your screen like I am now. When you're done, you hit stop, and then automatically uploads it. It gives you the link, and then you can add a portion on the end that I'll show you in just a second to actually get rid of the overlay and the title in the video. That makes just a better experience in the course. So this is how you hide the controls for your Loom video in the video that you've recorded. So you just add your Loom link, and then you add this, which I'll include somewhere around here in the description. And you just add it at the end. So this is the link for this video, and then this is that same blurb right here. And then this is the final link right here. So if you type this link in or click it or copy it and then paste it, you'll actually get the video playing, and there won't be an overlay. So that's why Loom is the best. They have a free option, but it doesn't have unlimited storage and recording, but then their paid option does. And you can download the videos, and it's actually a lot easier to use than YouTube because it automatically just uploads them for you. You can copy the link, paste it. It's super fast.